Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Hyundai i10 1 litre Go. This is the SE model. This car's finished in champion blue metallic paint. It's got the daytime running lights. You've got the black mirror covers. Rear privacy glass. 14-inch alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the blue pattern in the centre panel of the backrest. And you've got the light blue stitching in the seats. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing point for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car. So into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. This car is equipped with the space saver spare wheel. So moving round now onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Go logo on the doors. Inside on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, 12-volt plug-in for accessories in the centre console. So this car's done 38,723 miles. 12-volt plug-in for accessories, auxiliary port and USB plug-ins for accessories, manual air conditioning. You've got the media system. So on here you've got the radio with AM, FM and DAB radio stations, full screen navigation system, and you've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, and you've got hands-free phone operation. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible, station selection and volume control for the radio, cruise control and speed limiter. Moving back outside the car, identification plate that tells us it's a Hyundai i10 Go. Moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.